Welcome back to Friday Number Corner. My name is Mrs. Russell here again to wrap up week 1 of May's Number Corner. Let's take a look at our calendar piece and read today's date with me. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. If we flip over the card for today, we see some more arrows for Joey to hop. So let's go take a look at zoomed in on that card. So go ahead and grab your hidden pictures and let's get started. So yesterday Joey landed at 370. So today it looks like he needs to hop up 1 row and then to the left 2 times. So go ahead and try to find that on your grid or on the one on the screen. Where is Joey going to land today? If he hops up a row and then to the left 2 times, starting at 370. All right, let's take a look. So 370, we're going to hop up a row, which is subtracting 100, and then to the left, which is subtracting 10, and then another 10. So we are landing at what number? Good, 250, and we're going to color that square red for today. 250. Go ahead and color that in and meet me back at the observation chart to fill it in for today's calendar marker. Great, let's now go ahead and fill in our observation grid for today. Today is May 8th, and we started at marker 370. And Joey hopped up 1 row, so minus 100, and then to the left 2 tens, 10, 20. So if we add those two numbers together, minus 100 and then 2 tens, we have 100 plus 10 plus 10. Right. 120. So we're going to start at our 370 and subtract 120 for his jumps. And today he landed at 250. That's our end mark. Great job. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful outside, so get out there and play outside. Be creative. Bye.